First, you'll need to make a few batches of different colored Play-Doh. I have a very easy DIY Play-Doh tutorial that can help you out. In the middle of each table, just place some straws, patty pans, pipe cleaners, toothpicks, beads, buttons, rubber bands, googly eyes, and then encourage the kids to begin creating the nativity characters. They will come up with the cutest characters. You can even allow the kids to take their character home. That's why it's a great idea to have those little plastic bags. Did you like this idea? Then be sure to like and share this idea with someone else. I also have many more Christmas ideas. You'll find all the links in the description below. God bless and have fun creating.